Video project for Fundamentals of Physics with Instructor Kastro Hamed. The Physics of Color by Amy R. Ostler. The color wheel is useful for showing how colors can relate to each other, as well as showing you how you can create new colors by mixing them together. This RGB color wheel shows the primary colors as well as the different hues that exist in between. It shows red, blue, and green as the primary colors. John Wolfgang von Goethe stated that color is a law of nature in relation with the sense of sight. It is an elementary phenomenon in nature adapted to the sense of vision. Red, blue, and green are called additive primary colors because when these three colors are added together in certain portions, they can produce any color in the spectrum. One example is on your television screen. If you get really close to the screen, you can see that the picture is made up of tiny red, blue, and green dots. Please note that the rules for mixing colored pigments on paints are different than mixing colored lights. Magenta, cyan, and yellow are the subtractive primary colors. For example, only 3 colors of ink are needed to print a colored photo. Magenta, yellow, and cyan are used with the addition of black ink to give the finished result of a printed photo. Color theory is the art of mixing colors to achieve desired effects. You can create different emotions by combining colors. Colors are the way that our brain interprets electromagnetic radiation of a wavelength within a visible spectrum. My major is web design and development, so it is important that I know which colors to use when I am designing a website. Black equals serious, sophisticated, and elegant. Blue is trustworthy, stable, serene, and cool. Brown is wholesome, organic, and down-to-earth. Gray is neutral and mature. Green is safe, environmental, and friendly. Orange is emotional, positive, and exciting. Purple is opulent, contemporary, and royal. Red is passionate, negative, dangerous, and hot. While white is pure, peaceful, and clean, and yellow is cheerful, sunny, and cautious. So, for example, if my client wants their site to appear sophisticated, trustworthy, and mature, I would not want to use red, yellow, and orange. Not only would that make a really unpleasing to the eye website, but I would have a very unsatisfied client. Instead, I would want to use blacks, blues, and grays. It is good for me to understand the broad spectrum of colors and how they apply to my career, so that I can present clients with beautiful websites that their customers will be pleased to revisit.